Hey guys, in my previous video, I did a topic on whether the Samsung Galaxy S21 come with a screen protector. Now I did mention that it comes only with a film protector, which is temporary use. Now, embarrassingly, I was wrong about it, and when I check up on a video that I did, and when I look at the reply, one user said, if you look closer, there may be a screen protector underneath. So I did come back and check on it. And normally in the past, the Samsung phone normally come with a film protector. But this year, when I have a closer look, there is an actual screen protector underneath. So if I peel this one off right now, this is the film protector. So if I do it this way, just trying to get at the right angle, you can see this, I'm peeling it off right now, and you can see underneath here there is a kind of like a thin screen protector. You can't actually tell unless I shine a light into it. So let's have a closer look at this one. You can see right here there is a screen protector right here on the edge. So around the edge right here, if I just put my finger in, hopefully you can see it. Now I don't want to peel off this screen protector because it is the only one I have right now. And yeah, so it does come with a screen protector along with a film protector on top. So surprisingly, this year it doesn't come with a case. Now last year it come with a case, but this year it doesn't come with a case. Instead, they include a screen protector on the top right here, which is kind of nice because in the past it doesn't usually come with a screen protector at all. Now this one here, you can at the back here there is also a black film protector for your device. I recommend that you leave it on depending on which case you're getting, because if you're getting a case that is not transparent, then you might as well just have this protector on, so it can help prevent from getting scratches in the future. And so yeah, sorry if you guys have seen my previous video that I mentioned that it only comes with a film protector, but actually there is also a screen protector down here in here as well. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.